Hey guys, Sean here at K2 Trades. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply the K2 trading strategy with the K2 trend meter. So basically the strategy is the same. The only difference is that the K2 trend meter makes things a whole lot easier when determining the overall trend. So originally you would need to have all four charts open like it is here, and you'd have to make sure that price was above or below the cloud in all four charts to determine whether the overall trend was trending up or trending down. But now the K2 trend meter lets you do all of this all on one chart. So basically, when the trend meter is green, how it is here below, this provides confirmation that price is trending upwards on all four charts and demonstrates that any buy signal is valid. Let me show you guys a sell. So when the trend meter is red like this below, this provides confirmation that price is trending downwards on all four charts and demonstrates that any sell signal is valid during this time. And then when the trend meter is blue like how it is here, this demonstrates that price is either indecisive or in consolidation, confirming that the trend has not been confirmed, and in this situation we wouldn't be taking any trades during this time. So let's run some examples. I'm going to replay a few days back from when this trend started right here. So let's replay it right over here. Alright, so let me refresh your memory on the requirements. So requirements, let's see, K2 trading strategy requirements. So in order for it to be a valid trade opportunity, first there must be a K2 trade signal. Second, the K2 trend meter must be aligned with the direction of the signal. Next, we would enter on the open of the next candle. Then after that, we would place our stop loss and target profit at the previous swing. And lastly, apply the K2 exit strategy. All right, here we go. So first things first, we need a K2 trade signal, and that's what we got right here. Next, we have to make sure that the K2 trend meter is aligned with the direction of the signal. So we got a buy signal here. The trend meter below must be green in order for us to take a buy position, and that's met right there. So this provides for a valid buy entry. So in this situation, we'd enter a buy position on the open of the next candle, which would be right here. And then we would place our stop loss and target profit at the previous swing. So the previous swing's down here, so you can either put it down here, or you can also put it at the either the first touch of the cloud or the second touch of the cloud. So I'd put it right here. This seems like a good safe location. So it's 25.5. I'm gonna round that up to 26 pips, and then our profit target will be 26 pips as well, because we do a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. All right, so let's let this play out, and let's see if it. Oh, we got close to our target right there. Looks like it bounces around a little bit. It's coming up. There we go, winner. So that'd be a quick win in about, how long was this? In about 4 hours. So 4 hours we made a 26 pip win. Let's keep going and see if there's anything else next. All right, so we've got a sell signal there. The trend meter is green, so this wouldn't be a valid entry. There we go. So we got a buy signal here, and the trend meter is green, so this provides for a valid buy entry. So we would enter right here, long position, the open of the next candle, which is right here. We would place our stop loss at the previous swing low. Previous swing lows are right here. I'll just round it to 16 pips. Let's see how this plays out. All right. Oh, it's coming up. There you go, profit target hit. So there we go, 2 back-to-back wins. Let's see if we could find another one. sell signal right there. That's where we are right now. So we'd probably enter a buy position right here because we got a buy signal, and then the trend meter is also green, so this provides for a valid buy entry. But let's go on to a different pair and let's run some examples for some sells. So let's see, let's look at the odd USD. Oh, this is perfect. So right here it's trending downwards. So let's replay it back to right here. So our first requirement is that we get a sell signal. So we got a sell signal right here, and then the trend meter is red. So this provides for a valid sell entry. So let's put a sell position, the open in the next candle right here. And then we'll place our stop loss at the previous swing high, which is up here. You could either put it at this swing high or you could just put it at the cloud. It's pretty close by, so we'll just put it at the swing high, and I'll just round it to 13 pips. And I'll put this at 13 pips as well, since it's a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And then let's see how this plays out. It's coming down. There we go, winner. So we would have won that sell position right there. Let's look for another entry. So we got a buy signal right there. Now we're looking for a sell signal. So we wouldn't take this trade because it's a buy signal, but the trend meter is showing a trend downwards, so we wouldn't buy against the trend. Now we're just waiting for a sell signal. There we go, sell signal right here. Trend meter is red, so this provides for a valid sell entry. So let's put a sell position right over here. We'll place the stop loss at the previous swing high, which is about right here. We'll round it to 13 pips. Oops. All right, let's go. Let's let this play out. It's coming down. It's coming down. There we go, winner. Another back-to-back win. So if we were following the strategy properly, we'd have 4 back-to-back wins so far. See if we can find one more before I... Okay, here we go. So we got a buy signal right there. But we wouldn't take this because it's a buy signal and the trend is going downwards. There we go. We got a sell signal right over here. So let's place it at the previous swing high. Looks like it's probably swing highs like right here. Just gonna round it to 18. So this plays out. All right, so if we took that position, it'd still be active right now. This is where we currently are at this point in time. So, I mean, I'll leave this here and we'll see how this plays out. But yeah, that's a basic rundown on how to apply the K2 trading strategy with the K2 trend meter. As you can see, it makes it so much easier. You don't have to look at 4 charts anymore. You can do everything all on one chart. So if you guys have any other questions, feel free to email me at sean@k2trades.com or send me a message on Telegram or Slack, and I'm more than willing to help.